In today's world of digital distractions, providing physical play opportunities is more important than ever. A jungle gym for kids is a fantastic way to encourage movement, imagination, and developmental skills, right from the comfort of your home. But how do you know which set is best for your little one? Key features to consider before buying a jungle gym for kids: multiple activity modes. Look for options offering climbing, sliding, swinging, and more for all-around play. Indoor suitability. Ensure the structure is compact and safe for indoor spaces. Material and durability. Prefer solid wood or reinforced plastic that supports active play. Ease of assembly. Choose foldable or easy-to-install sets to save time. Age-appropriate design. Check the manufacturer's recommended age range. Safety features. Rounded edges, anti-slip surfaces, and secure fittings are essential. Storage and space saving. Foldable or wall-mounted options save space in smaller homes. Skill development. The best jungle gyms enhance gross motor skills, coordination, and confidence. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.